Today, I'm going to show you how to add documents, known as docs, into your Clickup workspace and seamlessly integrate them right where you and your team work every day. By learning this workflow, you can streamline your notes, plans, and reference materials, making everything easily accessible and organized in Clickup. Whether you're looking to keep meeting notes tied to a specific project or draft a collaborative strategy outline, this tutorial will equip you to make the most of docs in Clickup. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head to your Clickup workspace, the central hub where all your tasks, projects, and teams live. If you're already logged in, you'll likely see your dashboard with folders and spaces neatly laid out. Take a moment to orient yourself here, because this is where you'll be building your digital organization system. Once you're in your workspace, go ahead and select the project you want to add a document to. Think of projects in Clickup as dedicated rooms for specific goals or initiatives, like marketing campaign or product launch. By attaching docs directly into a project, you're ensuring all related information stays in one convenient spot, rather than being lost in random files or emails. So click on your chosen project to open it. Now here, where the magic happens. At the top of the project view, you'll see a button labeled View. Click this and then from the drop-down select Doc. This action creates a new document inside your project, instantly linking it to your workflow. This is much more than just adding a file. It's about giving your team a collaborative canvas to share procedures, brainstorm, or store key resources right beside your action items. Once your document page opens, the next step is to give it a title. Clickup prompts you for this automatically. Think about what's most useful for you and your collaborators. Whether it's quarterly review notes, onboarding checklist, or feature feedback, a clear title makes your doc easy to find and reference later. Don't worry if you change your mind. You can always update the title to better fit your needs. Now, filling in your document is where things get really interesting. Clickup gives you powerful tools to help you populate your doc efficiently. You can ask their integrated AI to fill in some sample info for you. Just type your request and let the AI generate text, outlines, or even summaries. This can be super helpful if you're not sure how to start or want inspiration to jumpstart your writing. Maybe you want a template for meeting minutes or a sample project plan. The AI can suggest structure and content, saving you time and mental effort. Alternatively, you don't have to start from scratch. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a selection of pre-made templates. These cover a wide range of use cases like company wikis, SOPs, agendas, and more. If you're in a hurry or just want to use a proven format, select a template that matches your needs. It's like pulling a ready-made notepad off the shelf. Just fill in your specifics and you're good to go. And that's it, you've integrated a doc into your Clickup workspace. The process might seem simple, but the impact is huge. You're not just storing information, you're connecting it directly to your team's workflow, making collaboration smoother and more transparent. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. It really does help me out. If you've got any questions about docs in Clickup, or maybe you want to share how your team uses them, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you're looking for more productivity tips or Clickup tricks, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Clickup.